What does dura mean in Shona? Dura. A dura is a very important part of rural existence. It is a common feature in Zimbabwean homesteads, and it is crucial for helping people through the autumn and winter months. But what exactly is a dura? A dura is a covered building that is used to store grains. It can also be used to store things like dried vegetables through the colder seasons, and they are retrieved for use whenever they are required. Do you want to learn more about the practices of the Shona people during the colder seasons? We have created a whole chapter dedicated to the seasons in our Shona language learning course. Just search for the Ultimate Shona Learning Pack, available from sarurakids.com today. sarurakids.com, the Ultimate Shona Learning Pack.